This is a sample output of what we will be able to achieve at the end of this section. The ability to toggle the LED built into the momentary push button, programmed with Codesys. In the previous part, we explored using the digital input port with the Cytron IRIV PiControl and the Codesys. In this part, we will build upon that and explore the digital output port with Cytron IRIV PiControl and Codesys. What is digital output? Digital outputs are circuits that utilize binary data 1 and 0 to enable the PLC CPU to control external output devices. Essentially, a digital PLC output refers to the processed binary control signal sent from the PLC to the field devices. These outputs are commonly employed to establish an on and off, open or closed control mechanism of the connected PLC's managed devices or system. Hardware. To complete this part of the tutorial, we'll need the following hardware: Cytron IRIV PiControl, 24V DC power supply, momentary push button, and 22 AWG hookup wire. The wiring connection between the hardware pieces is as shown on screen now. Open Codesys and open the IRIV Codesys tutorial project we last worked on during the digital input with Cytron IRIV PiControl and Codesys part. Right-click on the GPIO and choose Add Device. Choose GPIO's 1-bit, enter GPIO23 for the name, and click Add Device. Referencing the IRIV PiControl datasheet, the digital output 0 port is mapped to GPIO23. Double-click on GPIO23 to bring up its configuration window. In the GPIO23 configuration, select the first tab, GPIO sysfs module parameters, to configure and assign the GPIO direction, GPIO pin number, and current pin state accordingly. Refer to what's shown on screen now. Next, go to the GPIO sysfs module IO mapping and assign the LED variable accordingly. Refer to what's shown on screen now. Next, we're going to log into the IRIV PiControl to online mode. First, we need to double-click device Codesys control for Raspberry Pi. The device configuration window will open. In the communication setting window, click on Scan Network. First, select Cytron IRIV PiControl under Gateway and then click OK. Type in admin for the name and admin for password, then click OK. Note, if you use custom particulars for your name and password from earlier, use your custom particulars instead. Next, click the Login button. When this window pops up, click Yes. Click the play button. Double-click on visualization from the leftmost pane to return back to the visualization. Now it's ready. When the momentary push button is pressed, the LED built-in will turn on. When the momentary push button is not pressed, the LED built into the momentary push button will not turn on. Before ending, click the tool button highlighted on screen now to log out safely.